Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to expire password for all users in Salesforce. So let's firstly discuss what does we mean by expire password for all users in Salesforce. As an admin, you can expire password for all users anytime you want. Expiring password for all users means passwords are set to expire after a certain period of time. It is done to enhance the security policy of the organization. It ensures that the user regularly change their password to enforce extra security for your Salesforce organization. When a password expires, users are promoted to create a new password the next time they log in. In simple words, it makes it more difficult for unauthorized individuals to gain access to their accounts in Salesforce. The following are the reasons why we need to expire the password for all users at a time in Salesforce. Due to organization standards, you need to regularly change the password for security measures. To reduce the risk of unauthorized access, organization feels that passwords are leaked somehow. In cases where many users have forgotten their passwords, an administrator might reset all passwords to help users regain access to the system. Frequently, password changes helps ensure that the employees are using fresh unique passwords. Over time, employees may leave the organization or change roles, but their old credentials may still exist in the system. Password expiration helps ensure that no one uses unused or outdated accounts. The following are the consideration for expiring password. User might be promoted to activate their devices to log into the Salesforce. Expiring all user password does not affect self-service portal user because they are not direct Salesforce user. Now we will proceed and discuss how to expire password for all users in Salesforce Lightning. So for this, we firstly move to our Salesforce account, and here we are logged into our Salesforce account, and our by default it is open in the Lightning edition. Now here we will discuss how to expire password for all users in Salesforce Lightning. So for this, we firstly click on the gear icon and then click on the setup option and then enter the expire all password in the quick find box, and you can see that the expire all passwords is present under the security. So click on this expire all password and it will redirect us to the expire all password page, and here it asks that select the expire all user password and then click save to expire the password for all the users in your organization. The next time they log in, they will be asked to set their password to a new value. Now we click on the checkbox expire all user password. After clicking on the checkbox, then we click on the save button and it successfully redirect back to the main home setup. It means this setting get automatically checked up in Salesforce Lightning, and now all users that have in my organization of a Salesforce get an email for resetting their password. So with this, we have learned how to expire password for all the users in Salesforce. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.